Hi there, my name's Dr. Mashhood Qazi. I'm one of the consultants in emergency medicine, and you're watching my YouTube channel. If you like the videos on this channel, please subscribe to this channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the things that my colleagues, my peers, my students who are appearing for professional medical exams needs to keep in mind before they go to the exam. There are 6 main points they need to think about and focus on. The first one is you'll have to respect the exam. Without giving the due respect to the exam you're appearing for, it's very difficult you're going to succeed. Most of these professional medical exams are life-changing exams, so you'll have to give them due importance and respect. Second point is hard work. Hard work works. Working really hard is what successful people do. It's against the law of nature that you will pass any exam you attempt without working hard for this exam. So you will have to work hard, and you will have to really work hard. Third thing, which I keep on hearing this again and again, that just consider the OSCE exam as just another day at work. I don't agree with this mantra. I think the day of your OSCE exam is one of the most important days of your life. You cannot take it lightly. It is not a normal day at work. That is the OSCE exam is the day when you will be watched very carefully. Whatever you speak will be listened to very carefully. How you act will be looked upon extremely carefully. This is not what normally happens on a normal day at work, right? So this is one of the most important days of work. It is not a simple day at work. So you will have to deal with this. You will have to give this exam due respect, hard work, and consider the OSCE day as the most important day at work. The fourth point, with anything in life, be presentable on the day of the OSCE. The impression you're going to give before you enter into any station, the first thing they're going to see, the examiner or the patient, is your appearance. And your appearance will leave a long-lasting impression on the examiner as well as the patient. So you have to look presentable. You have to look apart on the day of the OSCE. You have to be tidy. You have to dress appropriately. If you decide that you're going to wear scrubs on the day of OSCE, you will have to make sure the scrubs are ironed out, they're clean, and they're tidy. So be presentable on the day of OSCE. Don't just wake up and walk into the exam day and just hope that you're going to succeed. Every little thing counts. The fifth point is, on the day of the OSCE exam or on the day of any exam, make sure you have your favorite breakfast. If you can't have your favorite breakfast, just make sure you have a very good breakfast, because you might not get another chance to eat for the rest of the day till the exam is over. So the breakfast needs to be healthy. It needs to be high calorie, high carbs breakfast. And most importantly, if possible, it needs to be your favorite breakfast, because that will set the tone of the day. That will set the tone for the rest of the exam day. You will feel up for the exam. The last point, prepare well before the exam date. There is no point running around or before the last 2 days before the exam. You will have to work hard. You will have to work hard way before the exam is due. And over the last few days before the exam are the days when you relax, just do your revision. But those are not, last few days before the exam are not the days when you start learning important stuff. That stuff needs to be learned beforehand. So just to recap, 6 most important steps you need to think about before you're going for any exam, and in particular OSCE exam, is number 1, you will have to respect the exam. You will have to give due importance to the exam. Second one is you will have to work really hard to succeed. Third is the day of your exam or the day of the OSCE is the most important day of your life. Think about it. Fourth is be presentable. Look apart. First impression counts a lot in these exams, especially OSCE exams. Fifth one is have a very good breakfast before the day of the exam so you have enough energy for the rest of the day. And the last but not the least is you will have to prepare for the exam well before the date of the exam. And the last few days should be the days of revision and you being relaxed for the exam. Keep in mind all these points, work on these, and they will surely help you to succeed in your exam. Best of luck for all my friends, peers, colleagues, and students who are appearing for the OSCE exams very soon. Keep working hard, and there's no doubt you're going to succeed. Stay positive. Hope you like this video. If you do, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot.